am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah.
What's up mga kaibigan? We just arrived here in Santo Niño. And our first destination is to go to Magellan's Cross. You want to know more about Magellan's Cross? Let's go! Let's go!
Show my rice, show my rice, show my. Ako ay nagugutom, gusto ko show my rice, show my rice, show my rice, Ako ay nagugutom, gusto ko show my rice, show my kinakain ko. Pag nagutom ako, gusto ko ng show my isaw sa toyo.
Whoops! Let's get serious!
Easy go.
Our first destination is in Magellan's Cross. What's up mga kaibigan? We just arrived here in Santo Niño. And our first destination is to go to Magellan's Cross. You want to know more about Magellan's Cross? Let's go! Let's go!
But I can't do this alone. Sometimes I just need a light. If I call you on the phone, need you on the other side. So when your tears roll down your pillow like a river, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. When you're screaming, but they only hear you whisper, I'll be loud for you. But you gotta be there for me too.
So now we're now inside the Magellan's Cross, but we have to listen our voice so that the guard will not punish us. Let's go.
But you gotta be there for me too.
This guard. Ayun, napunta mo. Ito. So this is now the Magellan's Cross, as you can see. This cross is the original cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan on this very time, April 21, 1521. So these candles here are offered by many people to this cross. Yes?
I'll be there for you.
The Cross of Magellan, the oldest landmark in the city of Cebu, 1521, and the Holy Child Jesus, the oldest historical relic in the Philippines, 1521 to 1565, stand today as the two greatest monuments that speak of the glorious discovery, formation, and the Christian civilization of the Philippines.
When your tears roll down your
Let's go to our next destination. That is Silica del Santo Niño.
for me
Let's go.
too.
So we are here at our second destination, Silica del Santo Niño. Let's go inside and check some historical stuff. Let's go!
But you gotta be there for me too. Boy, I'm holding on to something. Won't let go of you for nothing. I'm running just to keep my hands on you.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. All right, let's see how we'll finish.
A commemorative painting of 450 Kaplag anniversary celebrations, 450th anniversary of finding of the image of Santo Niño, April 28, 1565, the 450th anniversary of the Augustinian Crescent in the Philippines, April 28, 1565, the 50th year of Santo Niño Church at Masilata Minor, April 1, 1965.
I was so steady on my feet.
The arrival and landing on Legazpi under Neta Expedition at the seaport of Cebu on April 27, 1565. Cebuanos and Spaniards planting the cross of Christianity in Cebu, 1521. Ferdinand Magellan accompanied by his men after erecting the cross of Christianity in Cebu, 1521.
Spend the rest of our days way up here, just me and you. See, I like you a lot. You make me buzz like an astronaut. These feels I can't shake off. I'm in your orbit, and I will never drop. I'm so ready to take me as I am. Every penny, yeah, I'll pay all I can. It's just you and me.
Our third destination is to Plaza Independencia.
So we are now inside the Plaza Independencia. Let's explore. Independencia. Let's go. Yan. Pag-iat din.
We can spend the rest of our days way up here, just me and you.
The Fort of San Pedro, described in an official report of 1739, is rectangular in shape and made of stone and mortar. The three bastions are La Concepcion, La Ignacio de Loyola, and San Miguel Powder Magazine in 1939.
I was so steady